Okay, this is a movie about what happens if you touch Sam's ticklish spot. Sam, you got the ticklish spot. Ready? Sam has skinny little legs skinny little legs and a big fat belly. Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where is he? Oh, and there's Big Brother Finn.
Make me a movie.
No, let go.
I'm gonna make a movie of me.
You're in this movie.
I'm gonna make a movie of you.
Oh, brother. Here, look. There's Sam. Here, let go.
Can I hold it? My mouth.
Alright, you tickle Sam. Oh, Sam is striking a pose. He's in the tickling pose. Tickling pose. Sam, say no. No. No.
Can I make a movie of you? Can I make a movie of you?
Ape. No.
Can I make a
Okay, alright, the next movie is all yours. Say bye-bye.